Before I started working there, I applied to lots of other places, and I told them I was married. None of them hired me.
That's not a reason to lie, Lily.
Hey! Wait, how rude. He just walked out. I'll report him.
Yes, I do.
One moment, please.
Please tell Dai Xi to go to my office.
She's not here.
Why? Is she sick or something?
No, but you were really hard on her yesterday.
What? Don't tell me she can't take a scolding. She needs to toughen up.
I know, but she just got
what?
She got dumped.
She did? Mm-hmm. Tell me, is that a reason to not come to work? Is it like taking a sick day? Did the government issue a law stating that employees can take a day off after a breakup? Call her, ask her where she is, and tell her to get here. Tell her that, even with a death in the family, national law allows only 3 days off.
Oh, Lily, hi.
Oh,
It's so nice to see you.
hi.
I'm so sorry to bother you. But, about the agreement. So
Well, I already sent it to Ling Long Cuisine, and they told me to speak with their lawyer.
And who is their lawyer?
Liao Jiamin.
Liao Tiamin?
Yes.
And is she taking the case herself?
Yes.
Liao Tiamin is the director of Longke. She doesn't take regular cases.
Ling Long is no regular client then. They must be important to them. Isn't your phone vibrating?
Yeah. Hello?
So are you coming to work or not?
Yes, I'll be there soon. Bye. Wanna know something?
Sure.
Our law firm is just 1 floor away from theirs. Isn't that funny?
Yes. Yes, I know that. I was going to their office to talk to them one day, but I got off 1 floor too early and wound up at your firm. Since I was there already, I decided to hire you guys instead.
Here's the thing, Lily, listen.
Yes.
The truth is, I was the one who wrote the agreement. But
Yeah?
then, I neglected to clear it with my boss. The thing is, it went against office protocol, which is that any agreement we write has to be read and approved first by a senior. But I didn't do that, see? You were in a rush that day, so I went ahead and sent it to you, but now this has become a big problem. My boss is upset with me. I need to make it right. So I want to ask you now if maybe we could reconsider or re-examine the agreement. And the whole thing, regarding Ling Long Cuisine.
There's no mistaking it. She's your assistant.
Why? Is it because she has the same defiant attitude?
What I mean is, you two are like peas in a pod, Luo Bing. You've found the perfect partner in crime.
I'm flattered, thanks. I'll go apologize to Director Liao.
Don't bother.
Okay.
Director, don't be upset.
Why?
Let's discuss this first.
About the agreement for Ling Long Cuisine.
I know. Don't bother with the agreement anymore. Just cross it off.
No, now you do have to bother with it.
Why is that?
Your assistant Dai Xi said she is an intern, and as an intern she sent the agreement herself. Now they're upset and making us take the case, or else they'll report us.
Why, Director Liao, it's you.
Yes, I came here to discuss with you whether a married woman claiming she's unmarried is a case of fraud.
My assistant here will address the issue if you don't mind.
As per the law, an employee retains the right to withhold any personal information from their employer.
Yes, withholding isn't fraud, but claiming she's unmarried when she actually is married
is not a case of fraud. We stand by that.
Very well, you've made your position clear. This here is Miss Lily's employee registration form. Under marital status, she wrote unmarried, see? And this is Miss Lily's resume. It also says unmarried. You see? Right there. I also have the agreement form she signed saying that everything she wrote is true and valid. If anything is false, the employer has the right to terminate her without any compensation. You can see them for yourself.
Director, the issue that we are discussing should be the period of Lily's employment, right? As per the agreement, it states that her employment period is from April 7th, 2019 to April 6th, 2022. But on June 14 of this year, she was terminated without warning due to pregnancy. And according to national law, as you know, an employer shall not lower the pay nor terminate any employee due to pregnancy. I trust that you are aware of this law.
Look, the contract between Lily and Ling Long wasn't rendered invalid because she was pregnant, but because she lied.
Marital status is a private matter. Why should I have to disclose that?
Did your lawyer tell you to say that?
I didn't. She read it online.
Very well. I will see you in court then.
Until then.
Thank you very much, Mr. Luo.
Don't mention it. You should settle this privately.
Why should I lose? Do you think I'll lose? What you said to them really made sense.
But the problem, Lily, is that you lied. That was wrong.
Listen, if I had told Ling Long Cuisine I was married, they never would have hired me, you know. Before I started working there, I applied to lots of other places, and I told them I was married. None of them hired me.
That's not a reason to lie, Lily.
Hey! Wait, how rude. He just walked out. I'll report him.
No. Look, you can't do that.
Why not? That's sexism. Sexist men have no business being lawyers.
Have you forgotten he's working pro bono on your case?
So? Just like you said before, it's his duty, right? Look, I've read up on the law, and I found out that lawyers and law firms have to provide legal services to citizens pro bono. Pro bono means for free, right? It's your national duty. I read that online. Lawyers must provide legal services to aid others. You're obligated, to do this as part of your duty. That's correct, isn't it? I'm a pregnant woman. That's why I need your help even more, right? You'd better help me or else.